Hi children, today we learn the use of he and she. He is used for male. She is used for female. For example,
He is my teacher. Here, the teacher is male. She is my teacher. Here, the teacher is female. Sentences of he. He is my father. He is my brother. He is my uncle. He is my friend. He goes to school. He plays football. He dances very well. He is very handsome. He is a doctor. He is a pilot. He is an engineer. He is a farmer. Sentences of she. She is my mother. She is my auntie. She is my sister. She is my friend. She goes to school. She plays football. She dances very well. She is very beautiful. She is a doctor. She is a pilot. She is an engineer. She is a farmer.
please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.